Are you considering an investment in the real estate market? Real estate in Colorado has long proven to be a sound area to invest in, providing investors with long-term gains when done right. But like any other investment, it's essential to do your homework and your due diligence before investing your hard-earned capital in anything, including real estate. When invested in Colorado, whether it's in Colorado Springs, Denver, Boulder, or Aurora, choosing the right location can make all the difference. In this video, I'll mention what to look for when buying an investment property in Colorado. I'm Daniela Hurtado, a bilingual real estate agent that helps families and investors buy and sell properties here in the Denver metro area. Here are some factors to consider before investing in Colorado real estate. Future development. Before you buy a property in any particular area, look into whether or not there is any future development happening close by. While certain types of development may be good for a neighborhood or city, such as new infrastructure, other types of development may be bad for business. Ideally, there should be signs that the area is growing and up and coming. Anything that will improve the livability of the area and increase the value of properties is a good thing for you as a real estate investor in Colorado. Vacancy rates. As a real estate investor and landlord, the last thing that you want to see is a high rate of vacancy in the area, neighborhood, or city that you are planning to invest in. If your method of real estate investing involves buying a rental property and renting it out to tenants, you ideally want to make sure that you can find a good tenant who will stick around for the long term, at least for a few years. Property taxes. There are plenty of expenses related to owning a property in Colorado, and that includes property taxes. Ideally, the property tax rate in the area that you're buying in will not be too high. Expenses like this can eat into your profits. So before you buy, make sure you fully understand what the property taxes are like for the property you wish to purchase, and see if you can find out if there may be any property tax changes happening in the near future. High average rent. The way that you will make a profit on your investment rental property is by charging a rent amount that will more than cover your expenses and leave you with sufficient funds after all is deducted. This is called cash flow. Consider the rent price relative to the price you pay for the property and the operating expenses. For instance, $1,200 rent might not sound much for a $500,000 property, but it should be plenty for a property that is worth about $250,000. Thank you so much for watching my video about what to look for when investing in real estate in Colorado. Let me know if you're thinking of buying and selling a home and need help. It will be my honor. Don't forget to hit like and share with any family or friends that might be thinking of making a move. Thank you, and see you next time.